We fall in love with 3 people in our lifetime. Our first love. This love often happens at a young age. You eventually grow apart, call it quits over silly things. When you grow older, you may look back and think it wasn't love. But the truth is, it was. It was love for what you knew love to be. Then there's our second love, the hard one. You get hurt in this one. This love teaches us lessons and makes us stronger. This love includes great pain, lies, betrayal, abuse, drama and damage. But this is the one where we grow. We realise what we love about love and what we don't love about love. Now we know the difference between good and bad partners. Now we become closed, careful, cautious and considerate. We now know exactly what we want and what we don't want. Then there's our third love. This one comes blindly. No warning. It creeps up on you silently. You don't go looking for this love. It comes to you. You can put any wall up you want. It'll be broken down. You'll find yourself caring about a person without trying. They look nothing like your usual crush types, but you get lost in their eyes daily. You see beauty in their imperfections. You hide nothing from them. You want marriage and family with them. You thank the universe for them. You truly love them.